Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so glad you're here. I'm going to be getting ready for summer. I'm going to do my annual summer cleanup and inside and out of my house, and I'm going to tell you about a giant storm that came through. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is what my neighborhood looks like normally without a giant dust storm going on. And here's what the big, giant, terrible dust storm was like. For my really big cleaning day, I'm going to start by getting the bed sheets washed. While the sheets are washing, I'm going to scrub down my shower. Now it's time to get the sheets in the dryer. I'm going to get the bathroom clean and everything dusted. I hope this is inspiring you to get busy today and get your cleaning done. My final rinse and the bathtub is all done. Now on to the next project. While the sheets are washing, I'll dust these windows above my bed. We have removed and washed everything from our back patio. The dust storm made a terrible mess. We had so much to clean up. Alan has washed all of the chairs and patio furniture. He's getting everything clean. Alan's washing down the rug to get it nice and clean as well. Everything is clean and put back where it belongs. I'm so happy to have all of this dust cleaned up. In my front courtyard, you can see just how much dust that dust storm brought through. Dust is just everywhere, and now we need to get this completely emptied out and clean. I just cleaned the windows just a few days ago, and of course now they're so dirty from the dust storm, and we had a little bit of rain that came after that storm, just enough to get everything really wet and muddy. That's okay, we'll get it cleaned up in no time. I have moved the doormats away and you can see what a terrible mess that storm has left behind. And now everything is all cleaned up and fresh and dust free. It's so nice to have everything outside all cleaned up and ready for summer. Hopefully we don't have another dust storm anytime soon. Alan is replacing the sprinkler heads in the lawn sprinkler system. When doing your summer cleaning, don't forget to change out your furnace filters. Keeping your furnace filters clean is very, very important. Great job, Alan. I always mop every week, but today I've got to get the mopping done just in case any of that sand from the sandstorm got tracked in. Wasn't that storm absolutely crazy? I'm so glad we got everything picked up and put away and cleaned. I'm so glad you were here. I really appreciate it, and I would be so happy if you hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.